Are you having a good time?
I am.
You want to give a shout out to France? I was raised in France.
Oh, okay. So, hi, my name is Brett.
Yeah.
And shout out to France from here in California.
All right, and Modesto.
And Modesto.
And Algeria. I was born in Algeria.
Wow, that's
raised
so
in
cool.
France. Yeah, raised in France. North Africa.
Nice.
North Africa.
Nice
yeah.
to meet you.
Nice to meet
That's
you.
cool.
All right. What's your name?
Brett.
Brett.
Brett, yeah, B-R-E-T-T.
Okay, like taking it
Barbie
to Brett.
Bretty.
Yeah,
Barbie Bretty.
There we go. Beautiful
Barbie
name.
Bretty. It's Bretty_Barbie Powers.
And a beautiful girls at the same time.
Bye.
All right, take care. Bye-bye. All right. Hello.
Manny from Lord Empire for first place. Nissan. Oh, don't worry, he's here. Don't worry, he's here. Yeah. Do you have Nissan? No. Yeah, thought so. I thought so. All right, we'll wait for Manny. Roll third place, Sad Cat Musa. Sad Cat. Thank you for clapping. Come on, y'all, clap it up. This is his first trophy ever, and he won.
Thank you. Oh, don't worry, he'll fix it. He's got trim. All right. No problem, bro.
Now gonna for the Dodge second place rate. Vinda Nat Gara. Hey, congratulations, damn man. Versace shoes. Look, he's smelling like cologne too. I'm smelling like sweat.
Thank you.
Man, smelling good. Okay, you doing it, man. First place, first
Battery,
place
3%.
goes to Jason Temple. Oh, I don't want no problems, man. Jeez. Congratulations, bro. Last lesson is third place goes to Justin with 2017 IS200. Justin! Congratulations, bro. Huh? Oh. Second place, license goes to Alex V for the 2016 RCS. First place, Lexus goes to Rodeo R for the 2003 SU430.
California, 4. They took the hood off.
Those from factory like that? I thought they were all two-wheelers.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? You want to give a shout out to my YouTube channel?
Sure, what's your YouTube channel?
Oh, my YouTube channel is Abdul DZ.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hi,
Hello.
everybody. Here we are.
Here you are. What's your name?
Alejandra.
Alejandro. My name is Abdul.
Abdul.
I was born in a country called Algeria, right next to Morocco.
Uh-huh.
You heard of Morocco, right?
Oh, of course. Some
Right
of the
next
best
to
cars
it.
there.
Algeria. We have beautiful beaches, you know, nice ocean, nice people,
Yeah.
all that.
How are you
and
liking it here?
I love it. I live here. I live in Fresno.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Brenda.
Brenda.
Yeah, nice to
So
meet you.
Abdul DZ. Abdul space DZ.
Got
Think
it.
of someone getting dizzy, not drinking enough water. Right?
Got it.
Abdul
How you doing
DZ.
right now?
Yeah, ABDUL space DZ.
Easy. All right.
All
I'll
right.
catch you there.
Take care.
Bye,
Bye
everybody.
bye. Bye
That's kind of tight.
stadium, baseball stadium in the city of Modesto. That's exactly where they held baseball match games in here, in that beautiful park, beautiful stadium. How often do we see a beauty like that? Volkswagen, not too often. German made, look at that. All right. Beautiful interior, well kept. Beautiful bug.
You were like considering how big.
Nice. Wow, wow.
I got some free stuff to take pictures. Yeah, fuck yeah, dude.
Hello. Good. All right. Looks like it was made just yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was raised in France.
Yeah?
And German, you know, that's a German car.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
know.
these are both, they came from Mexico, both
Yeah.
of them. They're Mexican.
I'm doing that for my YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, that's fine, boss.
Abdul DZ. Yeah. You want to shout out to the people from Modesto?
Yeah, I want to send a shout out to my people in Modesto.
Yeah, here we go. So we'll find you on my YouTube channel.
Alrighty.
Yeah, Abdul DZ.
Okay.
Yeah, Abdul space DZ.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, and yeah, they got a beautiful shade. Probably that's your dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know, gotta give you long life, and you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very
Appreciate
much.
it, brother.
Well, what are your car?
Yeah, this is
Oh.
Mr.
Wow.
And this is Mrs. You can
Yeah.
open it and take a look at it.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna open the.
Anytime, feel free.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll
Order
go
for your
inside.
channel,
Yeah, take my.
I'll custom
take
you.
my
Can go
flip-flop.
inside, Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't worry, boss.
Oh, beautiful. Look at
custom.
that. All custom made.
Yes, sir.
Looks like it was made yesterday.
Yeah. This one's 2 weeks ready, fresh up production.
Okay. Well, as you can see it looks pretty modern.
Yeah.
Like 2024.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel like it's an old car,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's a 2000 and it's a 2002.
Oh, you mean the model?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought the model is like an old
Yeah,
age.
2000. Yeah.
Oh,
In Mexico,
2000.
yeah, in Mexico they make them a little longer.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, 2000. I thought like way before.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice.
2000, 2002.
Yeah. You may want to go to Germany, you know, and you know, do like
Yeah.
expo, you
Yeah,
know?
this is like the first one here we do.
Yeah.
But usually we go to all Beetles and Volkswagens. You know
Oh,
what I mean?
okay. Yeah. And you know, if you live in LA, they can use those cars for like movies.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah. But I mean, you know, the cost, it's not worth it.
Yeah.
Because you have to ship the car, drive
Yeah,
the car,
yeah.
ship the car over there, and the
Yeah.
amount of money they give you,
Yeah,
it's not worth
pricey.
it.
Yeah.
If you live in LA, a
Yeah,
lot of people
it's
actually, you know, owning
for
cars
it.
like that, how do you use them, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I used to live in LA.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah. You want this one too, boss?
Oh, yeah.
You want to go in there?
All right.
Check it out, boss.
I had to take my flip-flop.
That's
there we
fine. You can leave your sandals on. Go in.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, when I go to my home, I take my flip-flop.
Yeah. Oh wow.
That's my part of my culture,
Oh,
you know?
yeah.
Yeah. All right. There we go. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful interior. All red. All leather made. Nice. All right. Someone won a trophy. What rank?
I'm not sure.
Oh. Where's the winner?
That's me.
You. Yeah, awesome, man.
I
What
didn't
rank?
expect it. I was walking by to
Oh.
go to the bathroom.
Yeah, who's
and
my
then-
winner for my YouTube channel? You know?
Okay,
there
yeah,
we
yeah.
go. Oh, where are you? There we go. What's your name?
Ricky.
Ricky.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, a proud winner. Win the prize here at the Modesto Car Show.
Yep.
What rank? First?
Second.
Oh, second?
Second best Nissan.
Wow, look at that.
Somebody
All
beat me.
those cars here. This guy had to win and came second rank. That is something.
Unexpected.
You really got to do it.
Yeah.
That takes a lot of dedication, a lot of hard work. And the cars speak for itself. Beautiful. Well, we got a proud winner here. We got to make everybody happy. The whole Modesto going to be happy.
Definitely.
All right. Take care, bro.
Definitely.
All right. See you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Get my bottle of water. He just won the trophies. Second place. Nice car. Beautiful color, black and green, fluorescent green. Nice, nice, nice. Look how thick the disc are. I think we came here. That one has a rub place on the floor. Nice. Beautiful rims. All right. Looks like a Dodge, I believe. Oh, that's a Charger, yeah. All right. Look at that baby. Look at that beautiful Jerry. Nice, nice. Look at that middle color. That is awesome. Beautiful. Pink color. Looks like a Toyota. Nice. All right. Going around. Camry. Japanese sticker. California. Camry. That's a Camry. It's incredible how much they put on the regular Camry. It was just a regular Camry. TRD. Here's another Charger. Is that a Charger? They call that Lady Bullboy. Okay. The interior. Ferrari's still over there. I think we didn't come this way, so we're just gonna round. Everybody had their eye on that car for some reason.
He's coming. Hey. Best BMW.
What's up, bro? Don't fall asleep.
Goes to
Get water. There's a water fountain over there.
All right, now.
Yeah. Back to work.
Congratulations, sir.
Hey, congratulations. Yeah, third place.
Second place BMW goes to Nick Q with an M4. Nick Q with an M4.
That one probably they use it for donuts. You know those tire.
Congratulations to your brother.
They don't like to come out.
It's over there somewhere. Oh, just break his phone.
Looks like
Best BMW first place.
Hello there.
Goes
How are you?
to Mark.
I was gonna say beautiful car, but beautiful lady too.
Thank you.
Yeah. You want to give a shout out to my YouTube channel?
Hi.
Yeah. Hello. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Kayla, better known as Zags. Yeah.
Oh,
This is my Ford Mustang.
Oh, okay,
convertible.
awesome. Yeah.
2021. So
Okay,
thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Shout out to Algeria. I was born in Algeria.
Oh yeah, shout out to Algeria.
Part of North Africa, and
Nice.
I was raised in France.
Awesome.
Shout
Nice
out
to meet you.
Shout out to my French subscriber too.
Okay, shout out to your French subscribers too.
Best
Thank you.
Audi
Take care.
goes to Tark J, the 2009 Audi A5. Congratulations to you both.
Here we go, Mexico.
Best
The flag of Mexico. I was
goes
looking
to
for first Mexico
Dave
flag.
with an RSX.
Shout out to all my Mexican friends, brothers. Shout out all to my
Dave
Mexican
with an
people.
RSX.
Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Here's a Mexico flag. All right.
You're doing it.
I just cased the flag. Mexico flag.
All right. Now we're moving on to the specialty awards. Acura, best Acura is, what was his name again? Danny with the RSX. Oh, there you are. Congratulations. Your trophies right there, sir.
Around.
Now, the specialty trophies.
This is the
Best
last
truck
ranch we
setup
just
goes to Julio
had to
E.
cover it.
for the 2021 Acura TLX.
All right. Here we go.
While we wait for Julio, I just want to say one more
This is
time.
great when there's nobody
Thank
around.
you guys for coming.
Yeah,
Thank
you want to give a
guys
shout out to
so
my
much
to
for
France?
what you guys do
Shout
every
out to
year,
France.
Every show. We appreciate y'all.
Algeria.
Big round of applause to you guys.
Thank you.
Honestly,
Thank you.
without you guys, like I said earlier, we're nothing. So thank you guys. Rather you win a trophy today or not, that's all I want to say.
All right. That was a
Where you
security
got
guy.
Best wide body goes to Gale C7.
Everybody watching.
Best vendor goes
All right.
to
I hope we saw everything.
Upper Empire.
We'll go back around the last time, and we're trying to cover the area we haven't covered yet, and then we're probably going to be heading out. All right.
Gale with the C7. Gale. Yeah. That's you right there, bro. Give the man his normal trophy.
What's up, man? You want to give a shout out to all the people to Modesto?
Hey,
Modesto.
shout out right there,
Yeah,
shout out.
there we go. Yeah.
Car.
Shout out her car.
Shout out my car.
Oh, shout out to the car, yes.
Yeah.
What's her name?
What's your name? Sylvia.
Sylvia. She's beautiful. What's your name?
Yessi.
Yasin?
Yessi.
Oh, Yassi. Beautiful name. Yassi.
Thank you.
All
Beautiful
right.
car.
Yeah, you know, beautiful car. No, beautiful lady.
Yeah, beautiful lady.
Inside a beautiful car.
Period. From Modesto.
Exactly. All right.
Highly creamy.
Yeah, Modesto forever.
209.
I live in
209.
Fresno. I was born in
Fresno.
Algeria and raised in France. You know.
Okay.
Shout out to people from Algeria.
Yeah.
Shout out to y'all. Come to Modesto.
Yeah. Say 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Viva Mexico
Viva
Yarrami.
Mexico.
and Algeria. We got a good soccer team in Algeria.
Yeah, you gotta
Remember
say,
that.
you gotta say, Yarrami.
Yarami.
Yeah,
Yarami. What Yarami means?
I don't even know.
Oh, you made that up?
It means you know what I mean.
Oh, you know what I mean? Yeah, yeah.
what I mean?
All right, bro.
Know what I mean?
Yeah. Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Hey, people from Algeria, Morocco, we got Spanish blood in ourselves because
Yeah.
you know Spain is like
Yeah, right next
nearby.
to it, huh?
Yeah,
I'm Filipino.
Oh.
We got raided by the Spaniards.
Oh, Filipino.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Are you doing that for your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I got.
My,
I'm in film school.
oh, okay. Yeah. Here we go. Here's my buddy.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
Aulino.
Salamat. Salamat.
Yeah, salamat.
I
yeah.
love the Philippines.
Let's go. It's all
Yeah.
about Pinoy's, man.
That's
Pinoy,
it.
man.
I had a girlfriend in the past from
Oh,
Philippines
yeah,
a long
love
time
it.
ago.
Love it, huh?
Yeah.
Rice every morning, huh?
She had to move out to Arizona. I was gonna marry her.
Oh, what?
Yeah, she got into like nursing, you know.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
But, you know that was not God plans.
Yeah.
But
What do you do? What do you do?
what I do for a living?
Yeah.
Oh, just you know, just drive around and making videos for my YouTube channel.
Oh, what's your YouTube
Yeah,
channel?
Abdul DZ.
Here.
Okay.
Oh, my phone's right here.
Yeah.
But I'll get you right now when we walk down the
Okay.
corner right here. I'm just trying to get some footage. You know?
Oh, absolutely,
I got
yeah.
my camera right there too.
Oh, awesome. Oh, okay.